Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And as you can see here guys, this is the MacBook Neo. And of course, as you can see on screen, everything looks gray or of course black and white. Now, this is another problem that can happen to the MacBook Neo where the display turns completely black and white. And of course, it will look just like this. And I'm going to show you to fix this on your device where the display turns like this or turns to black and white. As you can see, it's everywhere. It's like this. Only two shades are shown. That's black and white or gray, if it depends on how you describe it. And of course, everything looks like this. So if I go in the evening finder, you'll find that everything is converted over to this color. All right. So this is what you do. First, go to the upper left, click on the Apple logo, go to System Settings. Once you're here, again, go to Accessibility, or go to Accessibility, I should say. Next, go to Display. Under Display, guys, you're going to see a bunch of options. Start at the top, you're going to move down slowly. And right where it says here, to the section here where you see these crayons, you're going to go here, you're going to see that this says grayscale. So you're going to turn off color filter. And there you go. Once you turn off the color filter, which was on grayscale, you can see that the display turns back to normal. All right. So as you can see, everything is normal now. The display is back to its vibrant colors and everything looks as it should. All right. So that was just a setting. It may have come on for whatever reason. Somebody may have turned it on in error. So of course, what was happening to your device. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.